you have not subscribed to this channel already, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Ever thought of disinfecting every corner of your home? Including ceiling and other surfaces. In a research published in ScienceDirect.com, Ayurvedic traditional fumigation with natural plant product has found to disinfect our environment. Natural plant products such as garlic peel, turmeric powder, Carom seeds, also called Ajwain, and Loban, a resin of Styrax benzoin, can effectively disinfect our environment. All you have to do is to burn these natural products, and allow it to reach all the corners, especially the surface that cannot be wiped. Traditional Ayurvedic fumigation with natural plant products is effective in reducing airborne bacteria and disinfecting inanimate surfaces. So, use this natural method to disinfect your environment. Be safe, be healthy. Please let us know in the comment section below if you want to see a video on some special topic. Like, share and comment.